Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you're here for some real deal skincare talk with zero fluff, you're in the right place. Today, I'm spilling the tea on a set that's been making little waves in my routine, the L'OCCITANE Almond Favorites Set. Priced at just $26, it's not one of those flashy splurges that takes up half your shelf space. But I'll admit, I was curious. I've always associated L'OCCITANE with luxurious textures and dreamy scents, but I wasn't sure if a mini set like this could actually deliver beyond the vibe. Is it just a cute package with underperforming samples? Or is there real value in these tiny bottles? Spoiler, my expectations were officially flipped. This isn't just another travel kit. It's a thoughtfully curated experience designed to bring a touch of indulgence into everyday moments. So let's get into how this little set stacked up in real life, starting with the one product that had me hooked from the very first use. Okay, so I've been using the L'OCCITANE Almond Favorites Set for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's like treating myself to a little spa moment every single day. I first got it because I wanted something luxurious but not over the top. Something that felt special without needing a full bathroom overhaul. This set totally delivers. It has the cleansing shower oil, the supple skin oil, a hand cream, and a moisturizer, all travel size but so generously packed. I love that it's themed around almond. This warm, subtly sweet scent that's cozy but never overpowering. It's not one of those fragrances that hits you over the head or clashes with your perfume. Instead, it's like a soft whisper of comfort, especially during colder months when your skin needs extra love. I've gotten compliments on it too, which is always a win in my book. Let's talk about that shower oil because wow, I've tried plenty of body washes that promise moisture but leave your skin feeling filmy or tight afterward. Not this one. The almond cleansing oil is a total game changer. I use it in the shower like a regular wash, and when I rinse it off, my skin feels incredible, so soft, supple, and hydrated, like I just stepped out of a fancy bathhouse. It doesn't strip your skin at all, which is huge for me because my legs tend to get dry and itchy in winter. And here's the best part. It absorbs so quickly. No greasy residue, no waiting around wrapped in a towel, no awkward slipping on socks. It rinses clean, leaves skin nourished, and just works. I've even used it when my skin was irritated after shaving and it didn't sting at all. That's rare for oil-based products, so I was super impressed. Now, the standout for me, hands down, is the supple skin oil. I know it's just a mini, but I'm already dreading the day I run out. It has this silky texture that glides on like Dream and sinks in almost instantly. I use it after showers and sometimes at night before bed, and I wake up with skin that feels baby soft. I've been layering it under the moisturizer, and the combo is chef's kiss. The scent is even more pronounced here. Still almond, but richer, warmer, like a dessert you'd curl up with during a Netflix marathon. Honestly, if I had to pick one full-size product from this set, it would 100% be this oil. I've tried other body oils that leave me feeling like I need to change my pajamas, but this one? No mess, no stress, just smooth, petal-soft skin that lasts all day. The hand cream and moisturizer are solid, too. The hand cream absorbs quickly, which I didn't expect from such a thick-looking formula. I use it after washing my hands, which is like a million times a day, and it doesn't interfere with typing or touching my phone screen. It's definitely not the heaviest hand cream out there, but it's perfect for everyday wear. Especially if you're someone who doesn't love that heavy lotion feeling. The moisturizer is lightweight but does a good job on my arms and legs, though I'd love a richer version for my elbows or super dry patches. It's not the star of the show, but it's a nice supporting player. What I appreciate most is that all these products play well together. Nothing feels redundant or clashes in texture or scent. And can we just take a sec to appreciate the packaging? It's so gift-ready. I actually bought this for myself, but it came in this adorable little box with clean, elegant detailing, like the kind of thing you get from a boutique rather than a store. It feels luxurious without being flashy. I kept the box because it's too pretty to toss. But seriously, if you're looking for a present, birthday, holiday, just because this set is perfect, it says, I care about you and your self-care routine, without being over the top. My roommate saw it on my bathroom shelf and immediately asked where I got it. That's how good it looks out in the open. One thing I'll mention, because honesty matters, is that not every product in the set is life-changing for me. The moisturizer? Nice, but I probably wouldn't rush to buy a full size. Same with the hand cream, I like it, but I already have a few dupes I love. But that's actually why I value this set so much. It's an amazing way to sample L'OCCITANE Almond line without dropping a ton of cash on full bottles you might not love. It helped me figure out what I'd actually invest in, definitely the oil, versus what I'm happy enjoying in mini form. And for $26, that's a no-brainer. It's lasted me weeks, and I'm still not close to finishing everything. For travelers or people who hate clutter, this is such a smart buy. Everything you need, compact, no spills. Overall, this set has made me fall in love with at-home pampering all over again. It's not just about soft skin, it's about the ritual. Taking a few extra minutes in the shower with that silky oil, massaging in the body oil, while listening to music, seeing that beautiful little set on my shelf. It makes me feel put together, even on days when I'm in sweatpants. It's elevated my routine without adding effort. If you've ever thought about trying L'OCCITANE but weren't sure where to start, this is absolutely the way to go. It's got the brand's signature quality, a heavenly scent, and real results. And who knows? You might just find your next holy grail product in a tiny bottle. If your self-care routine needs a little almond-scented glow-up, this set might just be your new bestie. Don't keep gorgeous, pampered skin a secret. Hit like if you're tempted, and subscribe for more honest reviews that help you shop smarter, feel cozier, and treat yourself without the buyer's remorse. Sweet dreams and soft skin start here.